welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you. If you are returning, y'all, thank y'all so much. I love the support. I'm starting to really feel like a family, and I'm loving it, y'all. So today, I made a huge mistake, and here's what happened. It may not look it, but I have protein overload right now. What happened was, I washed my hair last week on Thursday, and I washed it and I deconditioned with, where's it? It disappeared. Found it. By the way, y'all, I moved and I'm in my new apartment. I'm very happy. But I deconditioned with Meow's Babuso and Mint deconditioner, which has protein in it. So I was using it kind of as like a protein pick-me-up when I usually use the Green Beauty protein treatment, but I didn't have that, so I picked this up and I loved it. It made my hair feel super, super soft. And then I did my S-curl hairstyle, and that's kind of where I messed up because we moved a few days after that, and I left my hair in that hairstyle. Like the first night I banded it so that it was like stretched and in a stretched state while I slept. But the next few nights, like while we were packing and stuff, I kind of just put a bonnet on it and like slept on my hair. And it was in a shrunken state, and it just got really tangled and knotted. So when I tried to wash my hair today, which I was I kind of was trying to do like a half wash day. So I got in the shower, I shampooed my hair, and it felt super, super, super dry. Well, I mean, I did use a clarifying shampoo because I was using silicones the prior week, but it felt super dry. So I was just like, you know what? I need to deep condition my hair. So I used any deep conditioner that I could find. I used a Cantu deep conditioner, deep treatment mask is what it was called, and I mixed it with my Head and Shoulders conditioner, since I'm also doing a review on that in a little bit. And I put that in my hair and I let it sit with my hot head on and everything, and my hair, after I rinsed it out, my hair felt just as dry as it did after I shampooed. So I was like, oh my gosh, like whatever, my hair is just dry, whatever. So I was gonna get it out, and I was like, you know what, that Mielle deep conditioner made my hair feel so soft last week. Maybe I should put it back in my hair. And I was like, I knew there was protein in it, but I was kind of like, I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't think there's that much protein in it. So then I put it in my hair, and I love this deep conditioner because the slip is so freaking amazing. I put it in my hair. I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. Rinsed my hair out, and it felt just as dry, actually drier than after I shampooed. So I got out, I dried my hair, and I was starting to feel it, and I was like, yeah, this is protein overload, because it felt like straw. It kind of reminded me of like some days that I would have when I had relaxed hair. Like it felt like straw. It just looked dull. Right now it's super dull. And I was like, yep, that's, things happen. Like I'm not super mad about it. Do I wish it didn't happen? Of course. Right here. My hair is tangled, knotted. And the thing that's so sad is it was already tangled and knotted like before the protein treatment. But anyways, so I blow dried my hair like using the tension method very carefully. Like I barely blow dried. You can see I didn't blow dry it bone straight to kind of stretch it. And I'm gonna put it in a protective style for a little bit to kind of put it away while it heals. And I'm hoping it'll be back to normal in about a month or so. So today I'm going to be trying a sleek ponytail or bun in the back, depending on what I want to do. And I also want to use clip-in hair so that it's like longer. Or do I want to just do my hair? No, I'm going to try to use the clip-in hair. We'll see. So what I'm going to be using, I think, is Got to Be Glued, Ultra Glued. I really hope it doesn't leave like a residue. But this is what I had in my pantry. I also have wet line, but I know I don't really want my hair to like revert because I did blow it out. So I don't really know. So I'm gonna use that, and I barely have any edge control left. So this is about to be a jank ponytail. So this isn't a tutorial. I'm kind of just recording it just to record it. So here we go. I'm trying to decide if I want a middle part or a side part. I feel like I haven't done a side part in a long time, like a deep side part, but if I do a deep side part, I know like I'm gonna want it sleek. hopefully I can get it sleeked. That looks good to me. So, let's see. I know I should probably work in sections. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I've never done this before with natural hair, so this is like completely new to me. So I'm gonna put one side away, like this side. I watched a video on this too. I'm gonna put this side away because this side's gonna be harder to do. And I'm gonna work on this side. I'm so scared to put this gel in my hair and for it to flake. Let's see. It's already sleek enough. So I'm just gonna take some Got to Be Glued. Like that much I'm taking. And I'm just gonna put it on the top. And hopefully it doesn't have a bad reaction with the other. Oh, I'm trying to do a sleek ponytail. I don't even have a freaking brush. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So my normal brush is missing, but I found another one. We're still unpacking, so. Alright, y'all. So if y'all can see, there's no residue. I can see. It is making my hair revert a little bit, but that's okay. I think all gels make your hair revert, so. Oh my god, I haven't tried to do a sleek ponytail, guys, and since I was relaxed. That's as good as that's gonna get, I think. If I had my other brush, I'll be able to I'm not trying to. Just trying to get some kinks out, but that's gonna have to do. So I'm gonna put this in a ponytail. As tight as I could get it. Alright, this side's gonna be the hardest part. So I'm actually gonna take the bangs out for a sec and clip these to the side and kind of just work wet. Oops. My hair is super dense, y'all, so like this is gonna happen, this bulging. I'm not pressed. Alright, I'm gonna stop being lazy and I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna ponytail the middle of my hair first and then the outside of it, because this ain't not it. So I'm not trying to put like 5 million ponytails in my hair. So I'm gonna try 3. So I did one section, I'm about to do another layer, and then I'll do the bangs. So I'm putting more wet line too.
Hey y'all, so I ended up really having to focus on what I was doing, so I couldn't really talk while I was focusing, if you know what I mean. So what I ended up doing is separating my hair into 3 sections. So I do that middle ponytail that I showed you guys before, then I do a ponytail over top of that, and then I do my bangs. Doing it this way makes it so that my dense hair can be laid down as sleek as possible. And then I'm going in with some wet line on my bangs, and then I'm using some clips to secure my bangs as well.
All right, y'all. So I have these rapid styling strips. I'm gonna take a bit of mousse and put it on top of the gel to kind of set everything. I did use wet line. I am actually gonna go back in with the Got to Be Glued and just kind of put that over my edges and like the little front part. A little more there. Okay. Going with the brush. Put this clip back for now. I'm just gonna be using this Olive Mega Moisture olive oil by Vigorol, if it works. So I'm gonna put mousse on, I'm gonna put on the rapid strips, I'm gonna blow dry it to help set it, and then I'm gonna put the ponytail on. So I'm gonna bring it like that, I'm gonna tie it in the back. My mom gave me these, so shout out to my mom, thanks Mom. I'm actually gonna take another one. I know this looks weird, but I'm just gonna put this here. Hey. This is great. This is quality YouTube video. Put a like down below for my mustache. I deserve it, I think. Not a lot of people will come on YouTube and do this. Now I'm gonna have a beard. Come on, y'all. Leave a like, leave a comment on this look, because this looks better than the actual ponytail. Come on now. I was gonna take the clips out, but I'm not gonna take them out until after I set everything, so. I'm gonna stop because I'm afraid that the clips are gonna leave a dent. And y'all were probably thinking that too, but y'all didn't say nothing. Why y'all didn't say nothing? Okay. Okay, that left a dent. I could work with that though. Let me get some bobby pins. Alright. I don't want to go crazy with the edges. I'm gonna put on a scarf. I'm gonna do the ponytail. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I am going to bed after this, so I'm probably gonna take the ponytail off for bed, but I'll show you guys what it looks like before I go. Alright, so I'm gonna put some just clip-ins on. Yeah. Wait, can you come here for a second? You hear me?
Yeah.
Can you tell me, because I can't see, we don't have the side mirrors
Oh,
anymore.
that looks nice.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, wait. Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, it's okay. Can you tell me, so what I was trying to do is take a piece of hair and wrap it around so you can't see the track. Can you see the track of the ponytail?
The track of the ponytail.
Like clips or, I don't know what it looks like.
I see a bobby pin.
That's fine. The bobby pin's fine.
No.
No. Does it look weird?
Oh, this ain't your real hair.
No. Can you thought this was my real hair?
Oh, well, kinda, yeah, split. Yeah.
Oh, good. Good.
Oh, but no, I don't see nothing that look fake.
No?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn the camera, see if they see it.
Do y'all see it? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below if he's lying. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and subscribe.